Good morning, student. Today is Wednesday, 9th September 2020, and you are welcome in class Physics 10th O level. Everybody of you know that we have already started Unit 22, Electromagnetic Induction, and today is our last topic, that is transformer and transmission of electricity. The big problem of transmission is the loss of electricity. That how can we reduce? The question is this, that how we can reduce the loss of electricity during the transmission. You know that electricity is transmitted to the different areas from the grid stations to the industries and for the household uses. And the reason is that how do the electricity is lost? Everybody of you know that when the current passes through the wire become heat up, and this due to the internal resistance of the wire. This R in the equation power loss is equal to I square R. This is the formula for the power loss. And while the current passes through the wire due to the internal resistance, this capital R represents the internal resistance of the wire. You know that we use silver wire and copper wire for the transmission of the current, for the transmission of electricity. But copper is very costly, and as compared to the copper, silver is also the good conductor after that copper, and it is a little bit cheaper than the copper wire. Therefore, we use the silver wire throughout the country for the transmission of long distance electricity. So this R is a internal resistance of the silver wire. So we can't reduce, make zero it, we can only minimize or reduce. We will today learn that how can we reduce or minimize it. We can't make this internal resistance zero. So there are two possible solutions, that thick cable means its cross sectional area A. Resistance is inversely proportional to the cross sectional area. In simple language, we use the thick cable, but it's mean the cross sectional area of a wire. So the thick cable, if we use, it will help to reduce the resistance. But thickness, it should be to the some extent, because if we increase the thickness, of course the cable will become heavy and more weight will be there, and so if it has a more weight, we will not be able to use it pole to pole, because if we use pole to pole so many kilometers, thousand many kilometers, so we can increase the thickness to the sufficient limit. If we will cross that limit, our aim will be failed. So two things, of course, when we use the thick wire, the cost will also be increased. So to increase the thickness of the wire, there is some limit. So the first solution is that we may use the thick cable to reduce the power loss. Second is to reduce the current. Here is the formula that power out, given out the power, input power and output power. Output power is equal to IV. If we rearrange and we find the value of current I from this equation, so I will become power out mean power output over potential V. It's very clear from this formula that if we increase the potential, we can reduce the value of current. Current and the potential are directly proportional, but here it is inversely proportional. So power loss I square R, we can put the value of I from this one. I is equal to power out over potential V. We put the value and power loss will be equal to power out mean power output and potential, the whole square of this, and then multiplied by the resistance. So it is very clear from the equation that greater the value of potential V, lower will be the power loss. Thus electricity is supplied at high voltage, then step down. We supply the electricity at high voltage, it means high current. So when we increase the potential and supply to the houses, to the industries, in heavy cable at a long distance, so many thousand kilometers, 100 kilometers from the powerhouses, when the electricity is supplied to the industries and houses, normally it is at high voltage. You may have seen the various transformers around the corner, around the streets, everywhere. These transformers are of step down transformer. For the houses and small industries, we supply the current, the voltage of 440, and then by the help of step down transformer, we step down the voltage and supply to the houses. But for the transmission of electricity through the city to city to different area at a long distance, we use 1100 kV, that is very heavy voltage. Normally in the houses and the street, we supply the electricity of 440 voltage, then this passes through the step down transformer, and step down transformer reduce the potential and it gives out 220 voltage. Thank you, boy. Have a nice day. If you have any kind of a problem, please you can contact me directly on my phone. Have a nice day again. God bless you. Hopefully see you tomorrow.